Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises a healthier, more durable, and more efficient cooking experience. We're talking about the Nuwave Healthy Duralon Blue Ceramic Non-Stick Cookware Set. Now, in the world of non-stick cookware, there's a lot of noise, a lot of promises, and frankly, a lot of chemicals we'd rather avoid. So, does this Nuwave set live up to its claims of being healthy, durable, and high-performing? Let's find out. Right off the bat, Nuwave emphasizes the premium forged construction. What does this mean for you and me in the kitchen? Forging, in simple terms, is a process where metal is heated and then hammered or pressed into shape. This makes the cookware incredibly strong and durable, yet they manage to keep it surprisingly lightweight and easy to handle. This isn't just about looks, it's about creating a foundation for cookware that's built to last, performing well whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out. Now, the star of the show for many will be the Healthy Duralon Blue coating. This is where Nuwave really highlights its commitment to health and the environment. They describe it as an eco-friendly, ultra-nonstick, all-natural ceramic coating. And the list of what it contains is impressive: PFAS, PTFE, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. Crucially, they also state it doesn't emit toxic gases at higher temperatures. They've even gone so far as to have it tested by TÜV Rheinland for 106 known PFAS elements, and none were detected. This is a significant point for anyone concerned about the chemicals that can leach into their food from traditional non-stick surfaces. This coating is their Generation 10, or G10, ceramic. Nuwave has been refining this Duralon ceramic coating for over a decade, and they claim G10 Duralon Blue is exceptional. They boast fast and even heating, effortless food release, and extraordinary durability. They even give it a hardness rating of 9H, which is just one step below diamond at 10H. This high hardness translates to significant resistance against abrasion, corrosion, and acid. In practical terms, this means your non-stick surface is less likely to chip or discolor over time, and those coveted non-stick properties should last much, much longer. Another critical aspect for modern kitchens is induction readiness. Every piece in this Nuwave set is equipped with an anti-warp stainless steel plate on the bottom. This bonding ensures it's induction ready, but more importantly, it contributes directly to that fast, even heat distribution and superior heat retention they promise. Whether you're using an induction cooktop or a more traditional gas or electric stove, you want your pans to heat up quickly and cook your food uniformly, and this feature is designed to deliver just that. So, let's break down the pros and cons based on these details. On the pro side, the health aspect is a huge win. The absence of harmful chemicals like PFAS, PTFE, and PFOA is a major selling point for many consumers today. The G10 Duralon Blue coating's reported hardness and resistance to scratching and corrosion suggest real longevity, which means you're not just buying a set of pans, but an investment that should hold up. The forged construction adds to this durability and makes the cookware pleasant to use. And, of course, the induction readiness and even heat distribution are crucial for efficient cooking on any stovetop. The tempered glass lids and stay-cool handles are also functional additions that enhance the user experience. Now for the cons, or rather, points to consider. While the hardness is rated at 9H, which is excellent, it's still important to remember that ceramic coatings, no matter how advanced, can eventually wear down with improper use or extremely abrasive cleaning. While they claim scratch resistance, using metal utensils is generally discouraged with most non-stick surfaces to maximize their lifespan. Also, healthy is subjective, and while Nuwave details the absence of specific chemicals, consumers should always do their own research and decide what aligns with their personal health standards. The initial cost of a durable, high-quality cookware set can also be a consideration for some budgets. In conclusion, the Nuwave Healthy Duralon Blue Ceramic Non-Stick Cookware Set presents a compelling package for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen essentials. It tackles the common concerns about non-stick cookware by focusing on health-conscious materials and robust construction. The combination of forged durability, advanced ceramic coating, and efficient heating technology makes it a strong contender. If you prioritize non-toxic cooking surfaces and cookware that is built to last, this set warrants serious consideration. Link in the description.